The EVAP vent valve solenoid is a crucial component in your vehicle's emission control system. When this component fails, it produces several distinct symptoms that you need to recognize. The most immediate and common symptom is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. This warning light indicates that the vehicle's computer has detected a problem with the emission control system. Another major symptom is failing emissions testing. The EVAP system is critical for controlling fuel vapor emissions. So when the vent valve solenoid malfunctions, your vehicle will not pass required emissions inspections. You may also notice strong fuel odors around your vehicle. When the EVAP vent valve solenoid fails, fuel vapors that should be contained and processed by the system can escape, creating noticeable gasoline smells. Refueling becomes problematic when the EVAP vent valve solenoid fails. You'll experience slow fuel filling or the pump nozzle shutting off prematurely, even when your tank isn't full. When these symptoms occur, your vehicle's computer will typically store diagnostic trouble codes. The most common codes associated with EVAP vent valve solenoid problems are P0446, P442, P0455, and P0449. These symptoms indicate potential issues within the EVAP system that require immediate attention. Recognizing these signs early can prevent more serious problems and ensure your vehicle remains compliant with emissions regulations. Testing the EVAP vent valve solenoid requires a systematic approach using visual inspection, electrical testing, and functional verification. Begin with a visual inspection of the EVAP system. Check all electrical connections for corrosion or damage, inspect vacuum lines for cracks, and examine the solenoid housing for physical damage. For electrical testing, use a multimeter to check resistance across the solenoid terminals. Normal readings should be between 20 and 30 ohms. Verify the solenoid receives 12 volts when commanded by the PCM, and check the ground circuit. Functional testing involves applying vacuum to the solenoid. When energized, it should hold 15 or more inches of mercury. This confirms the solenoid can properly seal when commanded. Smoke testing helps detect leaks throughout the EVAP system. A scan tool can perform bidirectional control testing, allowing you to command the solenoid on and off while monitoring system response. When replacing the solenoid, follow these critical steps. Clear all diagnostic trouble codes, inspect and clean the charcoal canister, use OEM or OEM equivalent parts for reliability, and perform a complete EVAP system leak test after installation. Systematic testing of the EVAP vent valve solenoid ensures accurate diagnosis and prevents unnecessary repairs. Following these procedures will help maintain proper emission control system function.